Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is like a healthy week in my life, but it's kind of like I'm doing like a challenge almost. It's for 4 weeks and I'm going to upload a video just like this for the next 4 weeks, and every single week is going to have like a different purpose and like a different focus. Hopefully you guys can see me. So this week is going to be, I'm going to like try to get healthy in 4 weeks, pretty much is what it is. So this week I'm going to focus on food. Next week I'm going to focus on my workouts. The week after that I'm going to focus on like healthy habits and tips to help with getting healthy and back on track. And the last week is going to be like my conclusion video. So I'm going to show you guys what I eat for this week and then some dessert ideas. So we're going to get into, I'm going to like meal prep today. It's Sunday, Easter, for the rest of the week. So we're going to get into the desserts I'm making for the rest of the week. They're these like, so they're, you know, like you can buy like pretzel filled peanut butter pretzels, like they're pretzels with peanut butter filled inside. And I was thinking one day, I was like, if those were dipped in chocolate, because like, you know, you can get like chocolate covered pretzels, imagine how good they would be with all of it. So I made them one day and they were amazing. My entire family loved them, and I decided I'm gonna make them for this week. And yeah, I'll show you guys and I'll walk you guys through it. So let's go. So I got 20 of these pretzels out because I'm going to have 4 of them a night. So 4 times 5 is 20. And then I am just microwaving up 2 blocks of chocolate almond bark for 30 seconds. And then stirring increments until it's all melted. And then you just dip the pretzels in the chocolate, put it on foil, and put it in the freezer for like 30 minutes, honestly, and they're good to go. So I'm just starting my morning off with some coffee and then my Wide Awake coffee creamer. It's this almond-based French vanilla creamer with no dairy, no sugar. I just do 2 tablespoons. I highly recommend it if like that's something you're interested in. It's very low in calories if you care about that stuff, and it tastes phenomenal. And then we dyed Easter eggs throughout like Easter weekend, so we're eating the hard-boiled eggs that we had left over. And also, the biggest tip I can give you all is to stay hydrated. I try to drink at least 4 of these a day, and I love it. You just feel so great. Recently, my go-to lunch has been these Premier protein chocolates, protein shakes, super easy, and yeah, take on the go. And then my snack is just some grapes, and I'm drinking my second water. Another snack I had later on in the day after I worked out was some cashews. And nuts are very high in calories, so don't overload. And then later I made a taco salad, which was so delicious. I added chicken, veggies, all the fixins. Same thing for Tuesday morning. I had a hard-boiled egg and my coffee with 2 tablespoons of my coffee creamer. For lunch, I had my Premier protein after-school snack was peppers with Aldi's red pepper hummus. For dinner, I made a homemade pizza on our tortilla shell with a pesto base, feta cheese, and a bunch of vegetables. So good. And then on the side, I had a Caesar salad. Hey guys, I haven't talked like to y'all to the camera in a minute, but it's 9:05, and last night I forgot to show you guys me consuming those treats that I made, those like chocolate covered pretzel things. But as you can see, I did have some, so it's Monday. But I'm just gonna keep these bags. I don't like to like not reuse. But I did indeed have that, and it's so dark. Oh my goodness, hold on. I got better. Anyway, I just had 4 of these. I've been doing literally so good. Like, I'm just keeping a positive mindset. I woke up this morning and I was like, today's a good day to have a good day before I even got out of bed. And yeah, I slept in. It was good. So, that's the update. It's 9:06. I'm going to go to bed because I'm literally a grandma. Going to watch some YouTube. This is my prom dress. How exciting! Next Monday, Oh wait, no, this Thursday, because this is going up on Monday, my prom vlog will be out, so please watch that. So exciting. I'll show you guys my shoes and stuff, a little sneak peek. These are my shoes. I haven't even put them on yet, and then those are my earrings. And my date, my friend that I'm matching with, he got his tie, so it's really all exciting stuff. We have a party bus. I'm so excited for prom. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Y'all know the vibes. 2 tablespoons of my Wide Awake French vanilla almond creamer, and I just mixed that bad boy up. And again, I had a hard-boiled egg for breakfast. Who would have thought? Hi guys. I am so bad at vlogging, but I'll show you guys what I had for lunch and the snack. I showed you guys my after school snack or like after workout snack. But like I just simply forget gracefully. For lunch, like yesterday and the day before, I have a Premier protein shake and then a 4th cup of grapes. Then I just got done working out, going on a walk, tanning, grocery shopping. And I had that hummus and peppers, and it was so good. Now I'm cooking up some chicken breast because I'm gonna make this chicken and broccoli, like creamy chicken broccoli meal. Rachel Rodkey mentioned it in her vlog, and so I looked up. She linked the recipe down below in her description box, so I checked it out, and it just looks so good. So what you need for it is almond milk, gluten-free flour, garlic, Italian seasoning, broccoli, and then they said lemon wedges, but I don't like lemon, so I'm not gonna do that. So those are the ingredients. I'll link the recipe down below so y'all can check it out if you were interested. Anyway, I'll show you guys the meal once it's all done. I'm so excited. For my snack, I just had 4 of those chocolate covered pretzel things. I'm sorry there's like no variety here, but I had a hard-boiled egg and coffee and my 2 tablespoons of coffee creamer. My lunch was the protein shake. My after-school snack was peppers and hummus. Peppers and hummus have actually been my go-to snack this week, like 10 out of 10 recommend. Then for dinner, I tried this new recipe that'll be linked down below. It was this spinach stuffed chicken with a Texas Roadhouse roll that I had left over. And then I tried this Quest s'mores bar, and I am not a Quest gal, I realized tonight, so I'm not a fan of it, and I had 1 bite. Friday morning I switched it up. I just had some Greek yogurt with almond butter and granola, my 2 tablespoons of my coffee creamer. After school I had a bowl of Honey Nut Cheerios and my avocado toast, which was so good. Before work I just had this turkey, cheese, bacon club on this like healthy grain bread. Then for dinner, I took this home from work. It was just chicken, a potato, mixed veggies, and a salad. And then my grandparents came over, and I got a Minis Reese's Blizzard. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Got some ideas for meals. The recipes will be linked down below. Make sure to subscribe for the rest of the 4 weeks challenge, and the many videos coming your way. Also, follow me on Instagram. I am pretty updated on there and post daily. Love y'all. Bye.